We'll guide you through how to remove fake McAfee virus pop-up notifications. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So these have been around for a long time. Often you can go and end up heading to a website and you end up getting this pop-up on your computer saying that there's a virus detected or McAfee has gone and detected something, and you know this is fake because usually it is, especially if you don't have McAfee installed. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and remove it. Usually there's going to be no actual virus installed and the pop-up itself is a pop-up sort of notification virus. And so we can go and remove this. It's much easier than you probably think. So make sure this is full guide. So usually this happens due to a notification being allowed. On some cases, you may be on an infected web page that you've gone to by mistake. Sometimes a trusted website can go and get hacked and these can go and end up on that site. So just make sure you're not on a web page because sometimes you can just go and close out of that web page and it's going to go and stop because it's just on that web page. But if the notification has been allowed and you're still getting pop-ups across your entire computer, for example, just on your desktop, we can try and removing it. We're focusing this guide on Google Chrome, so go and open up Chrome as I have already done here. Now you should be able to do this in other browsers as well. For this guide, we are mainly focusing on Chrome though. So what we need to do is go and head to Chrome settings. So head to the top right of Chrome. There you're going to go and find the three dots, which you need to go and click on. Go down the list and at the bottom, you're going to find the option for settings like so. Now in here, what you need to do is you need to come over to the left and you need to go and find the option for privacy and security and you need to go and click there. Next, you want to scroll down and you need to go and find the option for site settings at the bottom of the list. And then what you need to do is you need to go down and find the option for notifications and permissions. If you struggle to go and find notifications, you can always go and search for them at the top. Now you can scroll down into allow to send notifications and you want to make sure you go and remove the sites here. For example, I can't recognize these at all. These are likely to be them. So we can press the three dots to the right and press remove and keep repeating that. And what you may even want to do is just go and set it so sites don't allow send notifications. You can go and select that there. So hopefully to help this video, you've gone and removed that pop-up. If you're still getting it, I'd recommend getting an antivirus and going and scanning your computers and maybe not the web browser's notifications. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with another how-to. We can go and solve your next problem. If you've got any suggestions, feel free to put them down below and I'll try my best to go through them. Have a great day and I'll catch you again soon. Goodbye for now.